If you want to learn to speak English in just 2 days, you need to dive into English completely. For 2 days, give your full focus to English. Don't think about your native language, your home, movies, or songs. Let your brain think only in English. When your brain is fully inside English, your learning becomes faster and stronger. This deep focus will help you speak better in a short time. It's important to speak to yourself in English. When you talk to yourself, your brain gets better at thinking in English. You can say simple things to practice speaking without pressure. Read aloud and repeat each sentence every day. This method is easy but very powerful. When you read aloud, you hear your own voice and improve your speaking. Repeating helps you remember the words and say them clearly. Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Start with easy and short sentences. Don't try to speak long or difficult sentences in the beginning. Simple sentences are easy to read, understand, and repeat. They help you build your confidence. Step by step, you will be able to speak more clearly and easily. Practice speaking English every day. Even if it's just for a few minutes, daily practice is very helpful. Your brain learns better with regular practice. Reading aloud daily will slowly make your speaking smooth and natural. Remember, practice makes progress. Stand in front of a mirror when you practice. Watch your mouth as you speak. It helps you correct your pronunciation and build confidence. You can also act like you are speaking to someone. This will prepare you for real conversations. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Read aloud and repeat without fear. The more you speak, the better you get. Believe in yourself and keep going. One day, you will speak English fluently and with confidence. Read aloud and repeat each sentence again and again. This is a powerful way to learn speaking English. Read aloud and repeat each sentence again and again. This is a powerful way to learn speaking English.